In this video, I want to talk about our internal communication. As you know, there are two parts of communication. One is listening and the other is talking, right? And most of our unhappiness comes from listening to ourselves. For example, we are listening to words like you are too young, you are too old, you have no money, you have no experience, you are short, you are tall, you are black, you are white, and so on. And because of all this constant listening to the negatives coming from inside, our confidence goes down, self-esteem goes down, and we don't take proper action, and we are not able to get the results we want and the success we want in life. So what do? You start talking to yourself in more positive language. For example, you could say these things: I'm a resourceful person. I can always figure out how to solve my problems. I'm reaching my success goals every day. I'm getting stronger and stronger every day. I very easily overcome my obstacles. Every day, my attitude is becoming more and more positive. So, you decide what positive things you want to talk to yourself and shut down your inner negative self and stop listening to those negative things. And I promise that you would, become more confident, your self-esteem would go up, you would take good action which would produce good results and ultimately lead you to success and satisfaction and peace of mind and happiness. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, bye.